Snoop Dogg beats.
Man, go follow my socials. Web bite for the YouTube. So, what's up? I just look class, man. Welcome back to another video. Bro, it is bright as hell, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna wait till I get to the start. Bro, hold on. YouTube, so I'm back with another video, man. Welcome to today's video, and in today's video, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm playing. I know what I'm doing. I'm finna get a retwist right now. So I'm trying to take y'all along in there with, what the? Bro. Anyway, I'm gonna take y'all along with me, so y'all just stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. And let's go. Let me show you I'm gonna show you the fit too, bro. Bro, my stomach's really hurt, bro. Like, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got the fours on today. You know what I'm saying? Fours are hard for no reason, bro. Like, you already know we got the V-Lone on. V-Lone with the fours on. Hey, you probably one of my favorite pairs of shoes now.
Move! Move! Move!
What's that?
Come on.
YouTube, I'm getting my hair done.
I know where she got him at.
YouTube, sorry, my hair done, bro. And like, right now it look crazy, but I ain't gonna lie. I like it with, I like my hair, how it look retwisted and how it look with the dye, you feel me? So 10 out of 10, as always. But you know what I'm saying, y'all peeped and but look, I'm gonna catch on and get back home, so y'all stay tuned, man. I'm out.
This is Roblox.
Oh, no way. Got one. Got another. Oh, throwing a nade in there.
YouTube, welcome back to another video, man. Look, it's days later, and right now I'm getting ready to go to a face-to-face. Whew, man. I got a lot to update y'all on, but I'm gonna get ready real quick, and I'm gonna pick up the camera later. Man, my bad for being so inconsistent with y'all, bro. But I'm finna get ready, and I'm gonna talk to y'all too, so I'll be right back. Daytona Kia, man. She done for y'all. I need to get a thumbnail real quick. Boom, thumbnail right there. Boom, thumbnail. Man. Bro, currently my phone is on 1%, so I'm gonna just record until my phone dies. But as y'all can see, they towing the Kia, man. Man, as y'all know, I got into an accident, you feel me? So the car finally gave up on me. Thing caught on fire and just started going, you know what I'm saying? But hold on. Huh? Oh,
you see, it's like a bend, like it goes down like this. It's not supposed to go like a straight.
Oh.
That's why you feel like you can drive it, right?
Yeah, I can't drive it properly. Yeah, I'm a good driver. Man. Huh? Nah, I was trying to go into my apartment complex. Somebody wouldn't let me over on the next lane. And then I got rear-ended and I swerved into some rocks, and then that's how I lost the front bumper. I gotta go to work. Okay. I just came to give you the key.
Okay. Do you need something inside the car?
No, I'm good.
No, you good?
Yeah, I took everything out already.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, but I appreciate you, man. Alright. You too, so I'm gonna catch you. I wanna get to work, man. Y'all peep the jacket. Peep the jacket. Feel me? Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to work, though. You too, I'm back. So this will be the end of the video. You feel me? I don't know. As y'all see, we did lose a Kia. Feel me? We lost the Kia, but we gonna come back harder, stronger, and way more aggressive and more faster too. But we lost the Kia. Man. So I got another video dropping tomorrow. I'm gonna drop this one today. I'm gonna drop the other one tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie, y'all not finna see me with a retwist for a minute. I ain't gonna retwist for a minute, bro. Like, bro, before I get a retwist, it's gonna be like a month or two, like. Man, I don't even know what to talk about. How y'all day going, man? Y'all day going alright? Hopefully y'all day going alright. You feel me? Hey, y'all, let me know if y'all see, like, the growth in my hair. Because I know I see it. But I want to see if y'all see it. But that boy VVS Divine. That boy said Eliante Jr. Hey, bro. Hold on. Feet Jr. That boy look like Cashy V if he had dreads on me. Y'all want to see what he said, bro? I got y'all. Hopefully I can see this. Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that, bro. Man's trying to call me Eliante. I know y'all heard that. I hate how, bro, when you have like locks, bro, some of them don't stand there inside seat. Bro, I'm such a loner. Like, I deadass stay to myself. I don't fuck with people. But, I look good as fuck. But that's not the point, man. Look, I'm gonna catch y'all on that video. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna do a little story time, tell y'all what happened. Tomorrow, I am tired. I'm not even tired. I'm just, boy, let me tell y'all something. I am not the type of person to push out fake content. If I'm not in the mood to record, I am not gonna record. Like, if I don't like that, I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry, but I am not going to stress myself out trying to fake looking happy for nobody. But y'all shouldn't either. So, that being said, man, this will be the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all feel my pain. I'm playing, bro. I'm playing. But with that being said, this will be the end of today's video. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. So like, comment, and subscribe. And keep goddamn watching the videos, the full videos. Get my goddamn views up. And YouTube, stop being a little bitch and stop copyrighting my shit. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Share this to your granddad, grandma, auntie, uncle, mom, dad, dog, brothers, sisters, everybody. I need everybody watching my shit. Get my shit up, man. You're on the road to 2K. And I'm on the road to 4,000. Oh yeah, 4,000 watch time highway. So get me monetized already, man. Come on. I'll be consistent as hell for y'all. Anyway, but that's the end of today's video. I love y'all. Stay safe. You know what I'm saying? It's Day with a kid. You know what I'm saying? We out this bit. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
I'm swerving it down. Yeah, I'm causing a madness.